Okay, so in the middle of a big remodel project, I decided to sell my other small hybrid. It was like a low-end hybrid from Porter Cable, one of the ones you can get at Lowe's. They don't sell them anymore, I don't think. But at any rate, I put it on Craigslist thinking there's no way it'll sell this amount of time for what I'm asking for it. It sold in 3 days. So I had my eye on a new hybrid table saw, and I was going back and forth between the Fusion, the Laguna Fusion table saw, and the Shop Fox. The 1851 is the new version of the 1824. I really didn't want the 220 volt only of the 1819s and 1820s Shop Foxes, and then the Fusion F3. I wanted something that was 110 capable, so that's what sent me down this path towards the Fusion. So anyway, I ordered this from Woodcraft, and it got here relatively quickly. Not super fast shipping, but it got here. And I literally just uncrated it. So I just wanted to share my first impressions of this thing. And so far, I'm really amazed by it compared to my old saw. I mean, I'm not really used to this nice of equipment, this level of quality. You can see the tabletop itself is, I think, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, but you can't tell. I mean, it's been surface ground or something, but it's almost a mirror finish. This thing's pretty nice. It's about 250 pounds by my measure. It does have wheels on it, which is another reason I didn't go with a Shop Fox. And this is, supposedly some dudes in California. It's still made in Taiwan, I saw on the side plate, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. But it feels like it's more American. I don't know if that's true, and I don't know that it even matters, but you can see down here it was made in Taiwan. The big thing for me were the wheels, because I move stuff around my shop all the time. The wheels on this is really pretty cool setup. So it's got 2 wheels on this side. Now let me get on this side. So over on this side, so there's 2 wheels under the cabinet, and then just 2 feet here. So you just grab it, pick it up, and roll it around. I've got the mounting plates on the bottom that they screwed to the crate still, so it's not really mobile yet because I've got to get those out of the way so that you can actually pick it up without dragging them on the ground. But it's got cast iron wheels, or what appears to be cast iron. It's got this tool storage on the side, which is real similar to my Porter Cable, except it's much more positive storage. It's not just kind of hooks and hangers. It actually has a place where things slide in. But all these wheels are really high quality feeling. I saw one review saying that the rip fence was aluminum, but it's not. It's welded steel as far as I can tell. It's got these aluminum glides on the side, but that's it. It's got storage for your push stick up on top of the rip fence, which is really a pretty cool idea. But you can see, I mean, I've got the switches laying on the ground. I hadn't done anything. I literally just got it. But anyway, this is my first impression. Just want to let you know that so far, I'm really impressed with it. I mean, this thing looks like a $1,500 saw. So I'll get back to you once I get it all assembled. There's not a whole lot of assembly. I saw one review saying that the setup might be too much for a beginner. I don't know if I'm a beginner or what, but it didn't look like a lot of setup to me. My Porter Cable it came almost flat packed. It was like from IKEA. So it was actually a whole lot more assembly than this appears to be. The Porter Cable, the table was separate. The motor was, bolted to the table, but that was it. So anyway, that brings up one quick point. The old Shop Fox 1824 had a table-mounted motor, which was the big detraction. I wasn't even going to consider a Shop Fox for that reason. But the Laguna has a cabinet-mounted motor. So that takes all the stress off of the tabletop and allows it to stay flatter, essentially, and vibrate less. But the new Shop Fox 1851 apparently has a cabinet-mounted motor also, which gives you also the ability to parallel the blade to the T-slots and all that. So anyway, the Shop Fox 1851 is getting closer to this. I think the Shop Fox, of course, I didn't order it, so I don't really know, but according to what I read, has an aluminum tabletop. And I don't know if that's true or not, but this one certainly doesn't look like aluminum. I guess I should get a magnet. Check it out. Hang on. And this, I don't know. No, that's cast iron. Yeah, even the wings are cast iron. So I don't know if that was one of the reasons I didn't get the Shop Fox. And again, it probably doesn't matter. I don't know, but cast iron feels better when you touch it. It feels heavier, more solid. It's probably a stupid reason, but that was one of my reasons. So anyway, I'll get this thing put back together and make some cuts, and I'll report back on actual performance.